Animal-loving people naturally want to help when they find an apparently orphaned animal, but care must be taken to ensure that the help we offer doesn't do more harm than good. First, it's important to remember that often the animal is not abandoned at all. Mothers can leave their babies for long periods of time to search for food or to avoid attracting predators to the nest. For example, fawns are scentless and their spots help them blend in by resembling dappled sunlight. Deer and rabbits only return to their young at dawn and dusk, so you may watch a baby all day and never see the mother return. By staying too close, you may actually be keeping her away. Cottontails and opossums are often mistaken for orphans because they are still very small when they are old enough to be on their own. Baby birds that leave the nest before they are ready to fly are called fledglings. During this normal process of learning to fly, they may be found on the ground, beneath a tree or bush. These birds are under the supervision of their parents and do not need assistance. However, a featherless nestling on the ground needs to be returned to the nest if the nest can be located. Squirrels and raccoons are rarely abandoned unless they are injured, so if the animal appears healthy, it should be left alone to see if the mother returns. Young waterfowl like geese and ducks should never be without their parents, and if found alone, they should be considered true orphans and in need of help. Any young animal has the best chances for survival when it is in the wild under the care of its parents. It is a common myth that a baby animal cannot be returned to its nest. The mother will still care for the baby even after you touch it. If a nest has been destroyed, you can rebuild it or fashion a new one close to the site and the mother will still care for her young. After keeping tabs on the baby from a distance and having seen no sign of the mother, it may be time to take action. First, you can place a small piece of string or other lightweight object across the nest and check later to see if it has been disturbed, indicating a return visit from the mother. If you are still concerned, take a minute to check the babies. Do they appear healthy and well fed? Are the feathers or fur in good condition? Are the animals out of sight and appear to be calm? If this is the case, more than likely the babies are being taken care of by their parents. If the babies are cold, appear to be weak or limp, are bleeding or have broken bones, or were the victims of an animal attack, seek help from a licensed rehabilitator or medical care center as soon as possible. Keep them in a warm, quiet place and do not try to feed them. Place towels or other natural substrates such as grass or leaves into a small box and cover the babies gently. Do not handle the animals more than is necessary. When you drop them off at a licensed rehabilitation or medical center, provide a complete history to ensure the animal gets the best and most appropriate medical care. If the animal is healthy, but the mother has not returned for an extended period, the orphan can be taken to a licensed rehabilitator. The Illinois Department of Natural Resources maintains a list of the names and phone numbers of rehabbers in your area. Please remember that keeping a wild animal without an approved license is illegal. These animals require very special care and complex diets, without which they can develop many types of diseases or deficiencies. Babies also need to be socialized in order to survive and behave normally in the wild. Finally, a wild animal can harbor diseases which can be transferred to you, your family, or pets if brought into your home. Always use the utmost caution if handling is necessary, and take the appropriate steps to bring an orphaned animal to someone who has been trained to care for it. The University of Illinois Wildlife Medical Clinic is a not-for-profit medical facility that provides support and care to sick or injured native wildlife species.